What's going on this morning? Out here filling the kiln. Gotta get it running before we can cut some more. Check it out. It's Juniper. It's the equivalent of our local cedar. I've got, look at this one, man. I've got a bunch of these sistered up. Let's get it loaded up here, man. Environment. We have the ability to control the heat, the humidity, and the wind or air circulation. We circulate warm air through the pile. The compressor kicks in and removes moisture from the air. We monitor the wood with these probes. We insert these into the wood in various places on the pile to monitor the progress. Let's do that right now. Smells like cedar. I think I'm going to make a cedar closet. That's all there is to it right there, guys. So we'll keep loading it up and get the other three set. So guys, we're not going to have enough for a full load. So one of the tricks is to make sure we move the air effectively through the pile. So you can see I'm starting to put in some baffles. Yeah, the hydraulics really help. And so does this. All right, ready to get it started. That stuff's already pretty dry, but we're going to go ahead and take it down to about 9% moisture content. Let's kick on the heaters, humidification, venting, and compressor. So we'll get those doors shut. It won't run but about a week. We'll have another load ready to go. We'll see you next time.